Even the smallest creatures play a mighty role. This tiny bird removes blood-filled ticks from the elephant's trunk, gaining a meal while giving the elephant much-needed relief. Scientists call this mutualistic symbiosis, a remarkable partnership where both species benefit, proving that nature thrives through cooperation, not competition. Welcome to Climate Tree Rivers, towards a sustainable future.